morning in the news is that it's only going to get worse, possibly. The rainfall will continue till Friday. That's what the Met Department is forecasting. Several parts of Chennai are flooded now, and the flood waters are rising. The pace, the speed of the water, the current in the water, I should say, in many parts of Chennai is also a major concern at this stage. It's a dark, dark night in Chennai, more so because there is no electricity in several places. Electricity supply has been cut because of the fear, because of the worry of electrocution. All flights have been stopped at Chennai airport. The armed forces have been deployed.